this is it. Well, I swear there ain't nothing better. We're up and we're out in the perfect weather. I just wanna run away with you. I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing?
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and this morning we're going to get started on some tasks. I'm just going to take you along day in my life. There's definitely some things we need to get done today. I finally finished spring cleaning. The only thing I have left to do is to take down the curtains in some of the rooms and spray for bugs. The curtains I gotta wash, and I always wash them and then just hang them up to air dry because it just works. And then once we get all of that done, and it warms up a little bit outside, I do need to clean up some branches. We had some storms that came through this week, and there's a lot out there I need to clean up. And it's time to mow more of the yard. So we're gonna be mowing today. And then once we get done with that, I will probably shower and do some other odds and ends tasks that I need to do in the house. So I will take you along with me, but to get started, I wanna get the curtains down so those can get washed.
Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? It's on you to decide if something changes. Say bye, 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 bye. When you're stuck in chains, well, nothing changes. I just wanna run away with you. I said, now I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? Don't you wanna lie by the ocean and glide to the places above? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? I'll go where the wind goes, and I'll go where the wind goes. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll?
Not gonna lie, I think I overestimated my work today. I've lost a lot of energy. I did grab some Tone It Up pre-workout. We're gonna see if that'll give me enough energy to get the yard done. It's still pretty chilly out, but I really want to just knock this out so I can shower and be done for the day. So I'm gonna grab me some water and get outside and start weed whacking because I'll warm up and then mow. But yeah, just want to get it done so I can chill out for the rest of the evening.
heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
All done mowing. Looks a lot better, but it's now time for me to take a shower. Actually showered. I am absolutely starving, so I'm going to make what I can with what I got. So probably like a makeshift cheese roll-up like Taco Bell sells. And then, because I have some salsa I need to use up, and then I do have some Doritos. I know it's not very healthy, but I'm starving and that's something quick that I can eat. And we'll do better at dinner. But let me go ahead and get my lunch and I'll show you. Feel much better. I was very hungry. So I'm going to take care of my dishes, and then I do have the couch blankets sitting in the dryer kind of fluffing. So I want to finish getting those on the couch, and then that way I can get my cold coffee and chill some more. But I also got out the pillows that I'm going to leave on the couch for the spring season, I guess, before I kind of change over to summer. So I thought I would yeah, change that stuff out as soon as I'm done taking care of dishes.
I caught your sudden gaze and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Oh, wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
They're a little bit wrinkled. I tried to take them out of the vacuum seal bag yesterday, and I threw them through the dryer with a tennis ball to fluff them. But they're looking pretty shabby, but whatever. We'll leave them out till spring or Easter's over, and then I'll probably put the covers on that are white with the palm leaves because it matches the table runner. I'll switch out on the table. But pillows are changed. All right, now time for some cold coffee to give me some more energy to survive the rest of this day. And I still need to put the dog stuff back down from spraying, but I need to check and see if that rug is dry, but I want to get coffee first.
And if you could read my mind, will you make your ways always mine? And if you could read my mind.
All right, so I'm gonna run to Food Lion, which is a very close grocery store to where I'm at, and pick up the few grocery items I need to get, and hopefully I can find milk. And then when I get back, I probably won't do anything else for the rest of the day, but let's go see what we can find at Food Lion. Okay, I'm back from Food Lion. I figure I'll just show you what I got. Most importantly and most excitingly, I found milk. So I got 2 of them. So stock back up on that. I was running low on orange juice. I have a hard time finding orange juices I'm okay with, so I'm gonna try this one. It says it's 100% orange juice and the only ingredient is orange juice. Usually, from what I've experienced lately, this is the one that doesn't give me heartburn. So we're gonna try it, and then if I like it, I can buy a bigger one next time. I just kind of wanted some chai tea, so I got one thing just to have. And then I got an immunity shot. I usually buy a couple of these when I go to Walmart on my normal grocery shoppings. Just trying to keep my immunity up. And then just a few fun snacks that I did pick up. I got a Perfect Bar snack, the dark chocolate peanut butter cups, just for a treat later. And then the RX bars were on sale, so I got the chocolate sea salt just to have. And then next week when I go grocery shopping, I'm actually getting my stuff for Easter. And I wanted to get like a ham steak. These are just perfect for me to have for Easter. And it's usually just me. So Walmart for some reason doesn't carry this type, and this one's a lower sodium one, so I just figured I'd get it and throw it in the freezer, so I have it. I just got some tortilla chips with the hint of lime, cheap egg. I have queso in the fridge that I need to use, so figured I'd get some chips for that. And then a recipe that you're gonna see in an upcoming video that I'm gonna film needed carrots, some zucchini, and apples, so I got 2. It's like a zucchini carrot apple muffin. Sounded good. We're gonna try it. It's a little healthier, but I have a feeling I probably won't need all this zucchini, so I also got some mushrooms because I can saute those up together and have them for like lunch tomorrow, maybe with some rice, because that sounds good. So that's pretty much what I got. I'm gonna put all this stuff away, call my grandparents back because they called me while I was in the grocery store. And then we'll see, but I don't think I'm gonna do much else tonight, but I'll let you know if I do. But let me get this stuff put away.
I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to Maine.
So I ordered some Panera for dinner. I'm gonna eat, and this is pretty much where I'm gonna wrap this up, but I thought I'd show you what I got. All right, so I did a pick 2. I got a turkey Bravo, I think is what they call it, sandwich, and then barbecue chicken salad. Like I said, trying to be a little bit healthier tonight because I know lunch was not the healthiest. And I did get more coffee because I'm just so darn tired. But so like I said, that's pretty much where I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to eat my dinner. I'm watching Bridgerton, and then I'll probably edit this video because this will be up tomorrow. But as always, I hope everybody enjoyed, and I hope you have a blessed day.
People in my dreams, the last time if I recall.